and gentlemen, a graduate of BS Hotel and Restaurant Management from J. Papa Professional Institute and a former talent of CCTN, the television network, and she's also been national siya makikita sa non-stop pageant competition and variety show and an active MMB dance group member and currently being indulged in entertainment shows abroad. Ladies and gentlemen, let's have Jenice Gomez. A round of applause, please.
Yay! Ito pa yan.